This was a crazy week. And I don't even like talking about my games, man, because honestly, sometimes it be sounding too good to be true, man. It be out of pocket. I understand it's really out of pocket. This week, I made $80,000 profit, man. Yo, dog. It was a movie. But to put this in perspective, I want y'all to understand this. When I moved from North Carolina, we sold our home and we made $40,000 profit from that sale. Now, think about this. On Friday, I made $40,000. That day, $40,000. So I don't want to hear nothing about no real estate. I don't want to hear nothing about no business. All I'm focused on is making money in the stock market, man. If you think about it, where are you going to be able to make 100% on your investment in the same day? I'll wait. You have to tell me, where are you going to see that type of profit? Man, 80,000 in a week, bruh. I better quit playing, man. That's why I don't got time to be trying to convince people to trade in options anymore. I tried to put cash on when I first started, man. But when I started seeing some paper, and it was some real paper, them days was over, man. I don't got time to be hopping on the phone with Cass or on Instagram or Twitter trying to convince people to trade in this market. I'm simply going to tell you my story. And if it resonates with you, and this is something you want to be a part of, you know how to reach me. But y'all better quit playing, man. There's too much money in this thing, I'm telling you. That's why I don't be listening to cats on the internet. It's so many people on the internet with that jargon when it comes to options trading. Options trading is so risky. You shouldn't trade options. It's so dangerous. It is. It is a lot of risk in options. Yes, it is. But what in life doesn't come with risk? And the reason why people get tore out the frame with options is because it's a thin line between trading and gambling. And you gotta pick which side you wanna be on. You gotta understand how you're gonna approach the market. You know, you gotta get those emotional factors like greed, FOMO, and all of that crazy degenerate stuff out of your system. That's why people get clapped out of the frame, man. They come in this thing and they think it's gonna be peaches and cream, and then it turns into a nightmare. But with me, I focused on how to take the risk out of something that was already risky. I just reverse engineered everything that I was doing wrong. What I mean by that is trading weeklies, out of the monies, FOMO, all of the crazy stuff. Just hopping into the popular tickers, not understanding that Tesla will get you cooked, buddy. It will get you cooked. And cats be trying to get these way out of the money contracts on Tesla trying to hit. You gonna get cooked. So, man, it gets to a point where you gotta understand, man, it's not the trade, it's the trader. That's what's taking you out of the game. It's a lot of money in this thing, but you gotta play the game right. I ain't trying to day trade every day and nickel and dime. I'm trying to find the right setup so I can take a big position and make 50 to 100%. Not in a day, but over the span of a week. And if I hit for more, it's love. But cats really think you gonna come into the market and make money every day? You really think you're not gonna lose in this market? Man, y'all gotta start using your brain. Dog, it's a reason why they say most day traders lose. Do you think you're gonna beat the statistics? It's some people that get by. It's some people that run it up as a day trader. but the majority of people are going to lose. So I don't play the game like that, man. I play it safe. Man. And I literally give y'all these trades and tell y'all, bro, I'm not going small. I'm going heavy into these trades because I believe in them now. Am I ignorant to say that I believe that I can't lose? No, I've lost plenty of times. But when I go into these trades, I go into these trades after doing due diligence. I go into these trades knowing that they are safe. I go into these trades believing and having the confidence that I'm going to see profit off of them. So I'm not going into these trades small. I'm not trying to nickel and dime every single day. I'm looking for the right trade to make me what I want to see. Y'all got to worry about scaling up. And I told y'all this long time ago. I told y'all this. You got to get your capital up so you can start putting more money up. That way you can trade less and you can make more. Why y'all making this harder than it needs to be? Y'all gonna watch me run it up every week. That's what you want to do? Or you want to run it up with me? That's what it comes down to. You got to make up your mind. You got to think about how you want to play this game. Now, I don't have no problem with day traders. I don't. But, man, I'm playing a deeper game, man. I'm playing a deeper game. And I understand that when it comes to the market, day trading, making quick gains, all of that is very exciting. But when it comes to building wealth, real financial wealth, everybody that's building real financial wealth, play the game on the boring side. They're patient, especially when it comes to this market. So why wouldn't I do what the big dogs are doing? Now, I don't have all the capital in the world to get into investments and just sit in stocks. But I do have the capital and the leverage and options to make crazy bank. So I can then take that money and I can put it in passive investments. Play the game right, man. Quit coming into this thing trying to think you just gonna come up fast, man. Gotta be patient. I'm telling y'all, anytime I rushed trying to get money, it never went right. I had to embrace this lifestyle of boring money. That's the movement. Boring money. So if you with that boring money movement, you rocking with your boy. And you see, I told y'all a long time ago, that boring money isn't gonna be so boring 6 months down the line. Telling y'all, man, 80,000 in a week, are you kidding me? Man, y'all better quit playing. Y'all better quit playing. It's too much money in this market, and I'm getting tired of people getting clapped out of the frame because they don't want to play the game patiently. You have to. And I want to tell y'all this. Now, it's going to be a lot of people saying, oh, well, you had to put up all of this money to make this money. Yes, bruh. I've been fine-tuning that. It's been 6 to 7 months where I've been taking big losses, and I done got big wins. But I had to get used to every single outcome. I couldn't just get used to the wins. I had to understand how to stomach a $10,000 loss, how to stomach a $20,000 loss. And I done took something that's bigger than that. And you know what I did? Came back to the market, man. If not the next day, the same week, ready for whatever. But you gotta get your mind right for all of that, man. You gotta get your mind right. So you might not be ready to scale up right now. You gotta gradually go into it. So right now, if you putting up $1,000 for the trade, be fine with that, And make sure you take in every single outcome that comes with putting up $1,000. And then when you're ready, scale up. Go to 2. Then from 2, go to 5. From 5, go to 10. From 10, go to 15. From 15, go to 20. And so on, so forth. That's how I did it. I had to get used to every single outcome and the feelings around it before I started to scale up. And once I started to scale up, I got more comfortable with risk management, surrounded with bigger amounts of money. So I was able to cut at $200, able to cut at $2,000, able to cut at $10,000, able to cut at $20,000. And I had the emotions to say, I'm gonna come back to the market and I'm gonna go hard again. Now, did I feel some type of way? Of course. Of course. Who loves losing money? Who loves losing money? But did I come back to the market like a soldier? Of course, because I know the opportunity that's in front of me. I can always see a good opportunity, man. And I don't play. When I'm in it, I'm in it. And I'm gonna go hard. And it's nothing that I've ever done that made sense like this. I'm telling y'all out of experience. Not because of so-and-so said, or I read this book, or I watched this YouTube video and this person told me this, that, and the third. These are from my own experiences that I saw that, no, real estate, and it's great for somebody. Hold on. Real estate is great for somebody. For my lifestyle, no. Business, I still have my clothing brand, but you see, I done fell back because the headache that came with that, I wanted to take a break. I've been going hard for 10 years straight. I had to take a break from that, man. I had to get my paper up where I needed to be so I can invest in my clothing brand the proper way. The market is allowing me to do that without the stress. And now I can create and build my business without thinking about money. That's how you get ahead as a small business. But you know what takes small businesses out? Not having cash flow. The market, preferably options, is going to give you cash flow. Because you know what you can do after you make these big trades? You know what you can do? You can pay yourself. So it's another source of income. I paid myself this week from the market, and now I can just take my profits and I can do it again next week and pay myself again. It's that simple. Quit playing, bro. Keep telling y'all, man, I'm not in this to be nickeling and diming. I'm trying to run it up, dog. I'm trying to run it up, and I'm not going to play about it no more, man. I'm not going to be subtle about it no more. I'm telling y'all, I'm in this to run it up. I want everybody that rock with me to run it up. I want y'all to see the things that I do and be like, yo, if Rick can do this, I can scale up. I don't want to be 10 years in as a trader still talking about, yo, I'm trying to grab $1,000 a day. Yo, I'm trying to grab $1,000 to $2,000 a week. Man, you know how nice you got to be to win every single day? I don't want y'all to have a lifestyle of stress, bro. We're trading for freedom, financial freedom. If you're not getting that freedom, sitting at your desk, reading charts every day, man, you got to think about how you playing the game. But I'm just giving y'all my story, man. I'm just giving y'all my story, man. Y'all on this journey with me, and I want y'all to run it up with your boy, man. So let's do what we do, man. And before I'm out, y'all seen the screenshots, but I was in JD from Monday to Thursday. I hopped in Exxon and Snap on Friday. Exxon and Snap gave me 40K on Friday alone. Man. Man, that JD play, it was so stress-free. It was so stress-free. I was in the red on Monday because they had a little run-up, nothing too crazy, because I'm choosing the tickers I play differently. I'm not messing with them joints that can get you clapped out of the frame as soon as you get your entry. But I scaled into my trade. So what I mean by scaling in is if I have my total amount that I want to put on a trade, right? I can start off with a small amount or I can start with half. And I'll go ahead and take my entry. Now, based upon that entry, I'm happy with the outcome, right? Because I put up half on it, right? Now, if that thing starts to go left and it's not the best entry, I'll go ahead and scale the rest of the money that I'm comfortable with putting up on that trade, right? So that's what I do on trades. I scale in. You ain't gotta instantly just go all in. Scale into your position, man. Play the game safe. I'm giving y'all the nuggets, man. And it's really not that deep. I understand why options is crazy, because when I came in the game, I did a lot of nut stuff. But I had to get that out of my system, man, because I have to lead the way. I gotta show Cass what I'm on, man, and I gotta show Cass where you can take this thing. But with all that being said, great week. Great week. A lot of money was made. It is what it is. We're gonna do it again next week. We're gonna find an opportunity, and if we don't, we're gonna wait for one. We're not going to try and force an opportunity. It's about to be a crazy earnings week, so anything can happen this week. I want y'all to have the money to be ready for all opportunities, man. And y'all know where to find me. I tell y'all this all the time. If you want to trade with your boy, go ahead and join Stock Market Moves. The link is in my bio. This is the last month where we're giving a free trial. After that, the free trial days are over, man. I done put in too much work in this game to still be giving out free trials, man. I'm telling y'all, I stand by my product. I stand by it. So go ahead and join the community, man. AB is going to be in there teaching you everything, and I want y'all to understand something. Know Something Academy is coming very soon. AB is working on something special, so y'all be ready for that. With all that being said, the world is yours. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day. Let's keep running this money up in the market, bruh. We gonna show everybody what they missed. If you gave up, I feel for you. Too much money in this thing. With all that being said, y'all have a great day.